how to remove background using PickU. First, open the PickU, tap the big plus or edit button, tap scissor, choose a photo from your gallery, maybe a selfie or your cat or your dog. Tap on the picture. You will see cutout. Tap on cutout. PickU AI will start working immediately. Watch it cut the background like a pro. Tap the part you want to keep. You can erase unwanted part. Done. Tap next and done. You will now see your subject on a transparent or new background. You can add new background, drop a filter or sticker, or just tap save to keep transparent version PNG. Background gone, creativity unlocked. Smash the like button if this helped and hit subscribe for more fast editing tips with PickU. See you in the next time.